So as many of you know, we sued the CDC because they had shut down the cruise industry for over a year. They said it was going to be 2 weeks last March. I was down in Port Everglades with Mike Pence and the CDC director. It was supposed to be a temporary thing so that we could kind of make sure people had supplies and all this other stuff. And it turned into an indefinite shutdown of a very important industry that affects a lot of people. So we sued. We won in the district court and won resoundingly. The CDC wants to appeal that. And so they asked the district judge to stay his ruling. He declined to do that. They asked the 11th Circuit to stay the ruling. So the 11th Circuit didn't rule against us. They just said that the ruling can be stayed. It was a 2-to-1 vote. And honestly, I mean, you know, these panels are what they are. So we are absolutely going to pursue to get the stay removed, either at the full 11th Circuit or at the U.S. Supreme Court. I think probably to the full 11th Circuit en banc. We'll probably try to do that because right now they're going to be in a similar spot until November. And I think that most courts at this point have had their limit with the CDC issuing these dictates without a firm statutory basis. So I'm confident that we'd win on the merits at the full 11th Circuit. And honestly, I'm confident we'd win at the U.S. Supreme Court. They just basically said that 5 justices effectively said that the moratorium on evictions exceeded CDC's authority. And I think you'd end up seeing this here. But I think it raised one of the reasons why we did it was not, it's an important industry for our state. We're committed to that. But it raises a bigger question. Can you just have one agency in the government without Congress ever passing a law, just basically shutting down an industry? Maybe you don't care about the cruise industry, but next time it might be your industry. Next time it may affect people that you know or people that depend on this for their livelihood. So I think it raises a lot of important implications. Obviously, we want to get the cruises back. You know, if you look, we gained 69,000 private sector jobs in June in Florida, and that's without having these cruise ships. I mean, so just imagine what we would do then. And then imagine what will happen if we get international travel back.